identifying carbon hybridization in simple organic molecules. So it's asking us to tag all the sp hybridized carbon. Well, sp hybridized carbons are going to come from carbons with a steric number of 2. And if you look at this carbon, it's got 3 bonds, no lone pair, so that's a steric number of 3. So this is an sp2 carbon. So in this case, I would actually check the box for there are none, and feel quite satisfied with myself doing that. Okay, so that was kind of a null example. So let's look at another one. That's not what I want to do. Show another one. So what have we got here? So tag all the sp2 hybridized carbons. So let's look at this first carbon over here and work out what it is. So this carbon right here has got a steric number of, let's see, 4 bonds, no lone pairs. So that's a steric number of 4. So that hybridization is going to be sp3. Okay. What about the next carbon? So this pink carbon here. Again, 4 bonds, no lone pairs, so steric number's 4. That is also going to be sp3 carbon. Let's have a look at the next one then. So this carbon right here, our steric number is going to be coming from 2 bonds and 2 bonded atoms, I should say, and no lone pairs. That's a steric number of 2. So my electron group geometry is linear, so that is going to be an sp hybridized carbon. So again, no sp2s there. All right, maybe 3rd time's the charm. Okay, so finally, what have we got here? So very quickly, steric number of 4, that's going to be an sp3 carbon. Steric number of 3, here we go. So this one right here, if I can pick the right thing, has got a steric number of 3 coming from 3 bonds, no lone pair, steric number 3. So my electron group geometry is trigonal planar. So my hybridization scheme for that one is going to be sp2. Finally, we got an sp2 hybridized carbon, and hopefully you can see as well that this other carbon next to it is also sp2. So 1, 2, 3 steric number, trigonal planar, electron group geometry, so it's sp2 hybridization. Remember, 1s plus 2p's gives you 3, which is going to match our steric number. We got there finally.